On the challenge day, all of your students are groups of engineers competing against each other to produce the best prototype. But it's not just the prototype which matters when it comes to assessing the teams. Engineers require many different skills, and the teams will need to show their expertise in each in order to score highly. The assessment criteria are available in the students' booklets so that the students are aware of what they have to do in order to gain marks. Teams which score highly regularly refer to these. Here's what they're assessed on. Here we look at the ideas students come up with in the detail of their sketches and notes. This section looks at the journey taken by each engineering team, how they've developed their initial ideas and how they've solved problems along the way. This is about their paperwork, not about their prototype. That comes later. The shop manager will record each team's expenditure at each visit, but it's down to the accountant from each team to record the detail of their spending. Marks are awarded for the accuracy of their accounts and also on how effectively they spend their budget. Throughout the day, each team's working will be assessed. Are all members contributing to the engineering? And are they demonstrating skills of effective teamwork? Are they demonstrating resilience? Or are they giving up every time anything goes wrong? Engineering of the prototype. This is assessed when the team presents their final product. You can consider how well the product is designed and made, the effectiveness of chosen materials and electronics, and some of the construction methods. This part of the assessment is all about whether the product is fit for purpose, the function of the product, and whether it meets the brief. This is where each team demonstrates their understanding of the engineering process. They get to explain how their prototype is constructed and why they made certain decisions along the way. Demonstration of their prototype is really important here, but sometimes prototypes don't work as the team intended. The presentation gives them the opportunity to explain why and what they do about it in the future. Not all team members have to speak, but encourage them to contribute in some way so that they can demonstrate they have worked together as a team. Finally, remember that it's all about the students being creative, brave and trying something new to challenge themselves, and your assessments of them will need to reflect this.